Hey Reese, what did you learn from playing Cashflow today?
So I learned from playing Cashflow today is the more passive income you get, once your passive income is higher than the total, than your monthly income, the monthly cash flow, then you will get. That's how you get out of the rat race, and you pay off all your debts and you get debt free. So yeah.
Cool. So what would you say if you're going to tell somebody to come play this or experience it? What would you say they get out of it?
Really good financial advice to a board game.
How many hours did you play today?
What time is it? About 3 hours.
Do you feel like you have a handle on an income statement now?
Yeah.
Do you understand how
part.
cash flows through income and expenses, assets, and liabilities?
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel like you could teach one other person?
Yeah, definitely.
Great. All right. Well, thanks for coming out today.
You're welcome.